Toyota Hilux D4D replace clutch. Toyota Hilux replace clutch, so remove all the gear shifter and the 4-wheel drive shifter. So remove the console here. Now there are circlip for the front 4-wheel drive shifter, and remove that 4 bolts for the gear shifter. Remove the circlip and you can pull this up. Remove this one as well, so that more room. Remove all this stuff, the tail shaft, the transfer case tail shaft, the cross member. Remove number 17 bolts all around, and there are 2 bit hard on top. Disconnect all the harness and we can remove the whole thing, gearbox and transfer case. Gearbox is out, including the transfer case, and ready to remove all together. The back of starter motor, there's a bolt holding the slave cylinder as well. So it's a tricky part to remove and chuck it in. So all you have to do is with this extension from the front and going there. Reconditioned gearbox is in, including the transfer case, and ready to put all back together.